Namaste. I, Nishtha, Social Awareness Captain of the school, welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 19th February 2022. Firstly, I would like to invite our Sanskrit teacher, Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam, to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078 शक संवत 1943 आज फाल्गुन माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की तृतीया तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र उत्तर फाल्गुनी, आज का योग धृति है। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात करें तो आज फाल्गुन माह के 7वें प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रजब की आज 17 तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now it's time to start the prayer. So I request you all to close your eyes and join your hands for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra. All classes be ready for prayer.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
अस्तो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति 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 ॐ Be ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम
Now, it's time to chant shlokas from Srimad Bhagwat Geeta, which you can see on your screen. So I request you all to listen carefully and speak together with our Sanskrit teacher.
मत्तः परतरं नान्यत् किञ्चिदस्ति धनञ्जय मयि सर्वमिदं प्रोतं सूत्रे मणिगणा इव तस्मात् सर्वेषु कालेषु मामनुस्मरयुध्य च मयि अर्पितमनो बुद्धिर्मामे वैश्यस्य संशयं मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते सचराचरं हेतूनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्विपरिवर्तते महर्षयः सप्त पूर्वे चत्वारो मनवस्तथा मद्भावा मानसा जाता येषां लोक इमा प्रजा दिवि सूर्यसहस्रस्य भवेद्युगपदुत्थिता यदि भासदृशी सा स्यात् भासस्तस्य महात्मनः संनियम्येन्द्रियग्रामं सर्वत्र समबुद्धय ते प्राप्नुवन्ति मामेव सर्वभूतहिते रता.
Now, I would like to invite Vaishnavi Tripathi of 9th A to tell us about famous Indian mathematician Raman Parimala. Namaste Vaishnavi.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. India has a long and rich history of contributions to mathematics going all the way back to the 1200 BCE. The decimal system was invented in India. Indians have made early contribution to the study of concept of zero, negative numbers, algebra, geometry, and arithmetic. But if you think about all the famous Indian mathematicians, Aryabhatta or Bhaskara, or Srinivasa Ramanujan or Harish Chandra, you realize that all of them were men. Indian women mathematicians came into prominence only in the 20th century and are still not that many. Albeit, the list is growing. Among these women, Raman Parimala stands out as one who made significant contributions in the field of algebra and is an inspiring figure for women aspiring to make a career in mathematics. Raman Parimala was born on November 21, 1948 in Mailaduthurai, Nagapattinam district of Tamil Nadu in India. Raman grew in an encouraging and progressive household. Her father was a professor of English literature and encouraged Raman to pursue her interests, and her mother was a constant pillar of support for the family. Raman attended the Sarada Vidyalaya Girls High School at Madras and showed a natural aptitude for mathematics from an early age. She was certain that she wanted to pursue higher studies in mathematics and expressed her desire to her father after high school. At a time when females were not supposed to have serious careers, her father completely supported her and wanted her to excel in what she was good at. Raman has made outstanding contributions to algebra using tools of number theory, algebraic geometry, and topology. Among her notable contributions are publishing the first example of a non-trivial quadric space over an affine plane. Another feather in Raman's cap was when she was chosen as one of the 11 women in science by the Government of India to be honored with a chair in their names in 2020. She is a well-known name internationally and is counted among the leading mathematicians of today. She received one of the highest global honor in her field when she was selected the plenary speaker for the 2010 International Congress of Mathematicians, which is organized every 4 years. She was also selected as the Emmy Noether Lecture in 2013 given by the Association for Women in Math and the Fellow of American Mathematical Society in 2013. She is also a recipient of the World Academy of Science Prize for Mathematicians in 2005. I hope you find this information knowledgeable. Thank you and have a good day.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Now, I would like to invite Harshit of class 10 to share a motivational thought of Swami Vivekananda. Namaste, Harshit.
Namaste, my name is Harshit. I study in class 10th. Today I am sharing with you the inspirational thoughts of Swami Vivekanand ji, which is as follows. You are the creator of your own destiny. I repeat this idea. You are the creator of your own destiny. Thank you.
Thank you, Harshit. Now, it's time to wish our birthday students. Today is the birthday of Swati Gill of 9B and Asta Srivastav of 7B. Let's wish them by singing the birthday song. So I request you all to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you all for showering your blessings. For more information regarding the school, don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. That's it in today's assembly. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Namaste.